Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the photo you want, open Photos and tap the image. Once chosen, duplicate it so you have a backup, then tap Edit to crop. Use the crop grid to frame the subject because framing affects how the image appears on lock versus home screens. Make sure orientation is correct. Rotate if needed. When you're satisfied, tap Done to save the edited copy and move on to set it as wallpaper. Now you set the image as wallpaper. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, Add New Wallpaper, or from Photos tap Share and Use as Wallpaper. Choose Still for a static look, Perspective to give subtle parallax, or Live if the photo supports it. This choice affects battery and motion. Pinch to zoom and drag to adjust composition so important details aren't hidden by the clock or icons. Once aligned, tap Set, then choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both to apply. Finish by checking both screens. Wake the phone and inspect the lock and home screens so icons or the clock don't cover important areas. If the image appears blurry, use a higher resolution photo or disable perspective zoom to prevent automatic scaling. If the new wallpaper fails to show, restart your iPhone. Sometimes the change needs a quick reboot. If problems persist, re-edit and reapply the duplicate you saved earlier, because that preserves the original while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.